Welcome back, my dolly sisters and brothers. This is Adeline with Adejuan's Art Dolls, and we're here to start the new series number 4 of Start to Finish. I have had several requests to do a start to finish. When I initially started this channel, it was just only to be painting with the golden paints. In looking at videos, I have read comments of people saying that they are trying to paint with golden paints. Certain things are not going right. And when I first started, certain things didn't go right for me either. But I am here to help you get over those fears. Yes, I had a lot of them. When I started, I had a lot of fears, okay? So, with that being said, let's get into it. And before we do, go down and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the video, and comment on the video. Now, we're going to be doing this series on a beautiful kit, one that I think is really a peaceful looking baby. His name is Zane. He's an Abdul kit. I love this man's kits. I love these kits. But yeah, his head is a little warped right there, but it'll come out. Yes, we are going to clean him up like I normally do. I use alcohol pads and alcohol. I do not put my babies in water unless I feel they need to be. So, this is what I do, is I have this little alcohol bottle, and it has this little top here that you just push down, and each time you push down, alcohol comes to the top. So this is what I use to alcohol off my kits. And this is the very beginning of what I do. And I use any of these cotton rounds, swishers. This is an Amazon basic cotton round, but any of these type cotton rounds, I will use that to clean off my kit. And like I said, if I feel that when I look my kits over and I feel like they need some extra care, then I will wash them with Dawn dishwashing liquid. And I don't know about scrubbing. I'm not going through all of that. But because I don't feel like they really need it. But these kits usually come to me pretty clean. So alcoholing is all I do. So I just mash these down, and sometimes well, I won't worry about that one. And then I just alcohol the whole body. And I just wipe off the whole body. I do feel a little grit, on the kids, but nothing major and nothing that I feel won't come off. And after I finish doing this, then I take these pieces into the bathroom and I just run water over them and just, and then I don't let water go into this end here. I hold them this away, run water, and wipe with my hands. And that's just to get off of the alcohol residue, you know, that would be on them. Because I somewhere I read or heard another artist say that alcohol will make your paints go a little sticky. And so that's why I do that. But normally I don't worry about it, you know. Um, like I said, this is enough for me. It gets rid of whatever is on the kit that I felt like, if anything that I felt that was on the kit, it gets rid of it. And usually my little sponges, cotton swabs, things, they're never really that dirty. Never really that dirty. See? Never really that dirty. What this one is. So, we will wipe and wipe. And sometimes they do get dirty, but usually it's just dirt that will come off. It's not oil like coming from a machine or something. It's just dirt where they've sit in the warehouse or whatever. But this is what I do to prep my kits, and it works for me. You know, this is my art. This is my uh, game plan toward making a beautiful baby. Everybody has their own plan on making a beautiful baby. So, you know, it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind telling you what I do, showing you what I do. I don't mind telling you where I got something. Um, I don't mind you following me. Um, because everybody does things differently. And so my babies are going to come out looking like my babies, and your baby's going to come out looking like your baby. And you know, that could have come off of these gloves, because these gloves are not new gloves. Let me get some new gloves. Yeah, I think that's what these is coming off of. Let me get me some new gloves over here, guys. Because those gloves have been used several times. Make sure you do have some clean gloves on. I'm sorry. Okay. But yeah, this is my prepping of what I do to my kit. Don't take long. I just run over them with this cotton and this alcohol, and then go rinse them off. And I pat them dry with paper towel. Of course, I've heard not to do that, not to use paper towels, because lint will be all over the air dry baby. But that's somebody's opinion, okay? Now see, me doing with my a clean glove, that made a big difference, because I think that dirt came off the glove. I didn't see that dirt on here. So, but yeah, that's somebody's opinion, because I have never had a problem. I dry mine off with a paper towel when after I wash them you know, rinse them off. And I've just never had a problem. I don't know, I don't know. So, and never have anything been a bother to me. Never have anything up, you know, messed up on me. Is, you know, so I'm going to continue to do as like I've been doing. And you can follow or not follow, or you can do what you do, you know, because everybody have their own method of cleaning their kids, own method of painting their kids. So I just do, like I said, what I do. I'm self-taught. I didn't have anybody that was telling me anything when I first started. And so a lot of what I do, I have made up my own system, my own, I mix my own paints to kind of have a guideline of the tutorials that I was looking at, which were the Genesis tutorials. Everything that I was getting was heat set. Now, I've never paid over $25 for a tutorial. You can learn what you need to learn, even if it's heat set. Most paints have the same colors anyway. It doesn't matter whether you have Ultimate Fusion, uh, uh, what am I trying to say? Golden. It doesn't matter, you know. It doesn't matter if you're using folk art, whatever. As long as you can make your colors work for you, that's the biggest thing, is making your colors work for you. Okay, guys, I'm going to pause you all for just a second while I run these to the bathroom to rinse off of this alcohol, and then we will be coming in to prep the kit.